How to rebalance your portfolio from the Teji Mandi app. Supported broker. Rebalancing is a process whereby our portfolio are adjusted at a regular interval to help investor rearrange their holding based on external market condition and quality stock picking. Go to the portfolio tab and tap on View Stocks to rebalance your portfolio. Rebalance will be only available for the investor whose rebalance is pending. Now tap on Rebalance. Here you will be redirected to your broker account. Tap on Review to check which stock will be added and removed from your portfolio. Confirm changes by tapping Confirm Update. Now tap on Rebalance. If your POA, that is power of attorney, is not registered with your broker, you have to authorize your sell order with CDSL or NSDL. Here, connect with your broker to generate your TPIN. This would be required to do the changes. After successfully authorization, tap on Rebalance. Now, review the stocks and tap on Confirm Orders. Fantastic! Your rebalance is completed. You can view the stocks by clicking on View Orders. For any assistance, please connect with us via email at support@tejimandi.com or via in-app chat box.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.